So today I'm about to show you how to write an essay outline using NotebookLM notes. First, open NotebookLM and launch the specific notebook containing all your research source documents. Navigate to your Saved Notes panel and multi-select the key insights, quotes, or summaries you want to structure. With those notes checked, look at the Suggested Actions menu at the bottom part and click on the Create Study Guide or Outline button. NotebookLM will automatically synthesize your selected notes, organizing them into a structured hierarchy with an introduction, main body points, and a conclusion. Pro tip, if you want a more specific format, click into the chat bar and type "Convert my selected notes into a 5-paragraph essay" with thesis statements and hit enter. The AI will instantly restructure your research into the exact academic template. And that's it. That's how to write an essay outline using NotebookLM notes. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.